Hey everyone, welcome back to Ideal Investor, where we bring you the best tips and advice for navigating the real estate world. Today, we're going to break down the entire home buying process, step by step, especially for first-time buyers. Whether you're dreaming of your first home or just curious about the process, this video has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about preparing to buy a home. This initial stage is crucial and can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Check your credit score. Your credit score plays a significant role in determining your mortgage rate. A higher score can save you thousands of dollars in interest. You can check your score for free through various online services. Aim to have a score of at least 620, but the higher, the better. 2. Save for a down payment. Typically, you'll need 20% of the home's purchase price, but there are options with lower down payments. Just remember, the more you can put down, the lower your monthly payments will be. 3. Create a budget. Determine how much home you can afford. Consider all expenses, including mortgage, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. A common rule of thumb is to keep your housing costs below 30% of your gross monthly income. Next, let's move on to getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This step shows sellers that you're a serious buyer and can give you an edge in competitive markets. Choose a lender. Shop around and compare rates from different lenders. Consider banks, credit unions, and online lenders. Look at the interest rates, but also pay attention to fees and customer service. 2. Gather your documents. Lenders will require proof of income, tax returns, bank statements, and employment verification. Having these ready will speed up the process. 3. Get pre-approval. Letter. Once pre-approved, you'll receive a letter stating how much the lender is willing to loan you. This letter is golden when you start house hunting. Now comes the exciting part. House hunting. This is where you start visiting homes and finding that perfect place. Make a wish list. List your must-haves and nice-to-haves. Consider factors like the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, school district, commute time, and neighborhood amenities. 2. Work with a real estate agent. A good agent can make a world of difference. They have local market knowledge, can set up viewings, and help negotiate the best price. 3. Attend open houses. This is your chance to see homes in person and get a feel for different neighborhoods. Take notes and pictures to help you remember each property. Found a home you love? It's time to make an offer. Determine your offer. Price. Look at comparable sales in the area and consider how long the home has been on the market. Your agent will help you with this. 2. Write an offer. Letter. Your agent will draft the offer letter, which includes the price, terms, and contingencies like home inspection and financing. 3. Negotiate. Be prepared for counteroffers. Negotiation is normal, and your agent will guide you through this process to get the best deal. Once your offer is accepted, it's time for inspections and appraisals. Home inspection. Hire a professional inspector to check the property for any issues. This step can reveal potential problems that might need addressing before finalizing the purchase. Cut to a clip of a home inspector examining a property. 2. Appraisal. Your lender will order an appraisal to ensure the home is worth the purchase price. This protects you and the lender from overpaying. 3. Renegotiate if necessary. If the inspection or appraisal uncovers significant issues, you might need to renegotiate the price or ask the seller to make repairs. We're almost there. The next step is closing the deal. Final walkthrough. Do a final walkthrough of the home to ensure it's in the agreed-upon condition and that any requested repairs were made. 2. Closing costs. Be prepared to pay closing costs, which typically range from 2% to 5% of the loan amount. These can include fees for the loan origination, title insurance, and more. 3. Sign the paperwork. At closing, you'll sign all the necessary documents to transfer ownership of the home. Once everything is signed and the funds are transferred, you'll get the keys to your new home. Congratulations, you're now a homeowner. Buying a home is a major milestone, and while it can seem daunting, being informed and prepared makes it a much smoother journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up